Hi guys, Zach with Proline Ranchers here. Today we have an exciting video on our brand new blower packs that we're introducing to some of our range hood inserts. Today we're going to be talking about our 600 CFM and our 1200 CFM blower pack and talking to you about how they can fit inside of our PLGL Umod insert as well as our PLJL classic range hood. So we're going to take all these things outside of the box, show you what it comes with, and show you how you guys can install these in your own range hood. Now we've gone ahead and taken our PLGL Umod range hood out of its main box, and what's going to come inside is very simple. We've laid it out on the table here. Obviously our hood itself, the stainless steel baffle filters come pre-installed on this one, so they'll be already in your range hood, and then just underneath this, inside of your main box, you guys will have your manual as well as some installation pieces and hardware that you'll need to install the hood itself. And then inside of that separate box, depending on what blower pack you choose at the time of purchasing your range hood, you guys will receive the blower itself inside that box. And again, just underneath it, a small bag of installation pieces that you guys will need to attach it to the range hood itself. So that's all that's going to come with it. We've gone ahead and taken our protective covering off the range hood itself, so now we can see, like I said, our stainless steel baffle filters come installed already. To remove these, it's very easy. It's just a latch. If we pull on that, it will come out from the top. You can lift it from the bottom. These might come with a protective film on them to protect the stainless steel, so just make sure you guys are peeling that off before you start using your range hood, just so it can work most efficiently. But our stainless steel baffle filters are great. They're dishwasher safe. They're very easy to maintain and clean, but we're just gonna go ahead and take all these out because we'll need to install our blower inside. And as you guys can see, we don't have anything in there right now. So I'll go ahead and take each of these out, but we can talk about just for a second, our different LED lights that come on this range hood. They're very easy to remove or replace if you guys ever need to do that, but they're gonna be great amounts of lighting if you guys are ever cooking in a darker space. They're gonna be everything that you guys need. Now that we've got all our baffle filters removed, we're ready to move into the installation process of our blower pack into our range hood. But it's really nice that we give you guys the option to do this and install it yourself because it's very easy. It doesn't take long at all. But if you're installing your insert into some cabinetry or wherever you might be, it's very easy to move this around and get exact measurements as you're picking up a much lighter frame rather than this large blower being inside of your range hood. So we're going to go ahead and install this. To do that, it's very easy. Firstly, the plate's just going to go in first because it's going to go onto the back, and these aren't very heavy. If you guys just want to pick this up, we'll just kind of set it in here nice and easy. We'll just move it into place, and then we can come around back and we'll start to install it. Now that we've moved our blower pack inside of the shell of our range hood, firstly, we're just going to go ahead and connect some wiring. This is very easy. Our blower is going to come with one connector here, and then inside the range hood, they'll come with two. So if we just want to clip that in, it's very easy. While we're using a one blower system, we're only going to be using one of these clips. But if you guys get the dual blower setup, you are going to use both slots. And we'll go ahead and install that dual blower setup here in a second. But just while you're using one, if that's all you guys need, just kind of push the other one off to the side. You don't even need to use it. So now, as you guys can see, we're looking at the back of our range hood once we've placed that blower inside. Now we're gonna need to kind of align it. And this might take two people. It's not heavy, it's not hard to do, but trying to screw this in and do it yourself can be difficult. So just grab a second hand. I'm gonna do the same thing. We'll line it up and then we're gonna screw in each 6 of these screws and it will sit nice and snug. So there you guys have it. Now that we've got that screwed in and installed to our range hood itself, very easy. It's going to work perfectly. So like I said, if we turn these on here, we'll see our LED lights work perfectly. We also have a power button and a 4-speed option for this blower inside. So whether you guys want to use the highest and most powerful setting or down to the lowest and most quiet, it's completely up to you. We can use those here. And as you guys can see, our blower is going to work just nice, and it's going to be nice and quiet and be everything you guys need in your kitchen. So now that we've gone ahead and installed our single blower pack into our Umod, we've brought out a new range hood, another insert, our classic model that offers the same capability with our blower pack options. And we're gonna go ahead and install our dual blower into this range hood. So inside of the boxes, it's essentially the same. You're gonna get your range hood. It still comes with your 2 baffle filters that come out with a latch. And then we're also gonna have our LED lights here on top. You guys will also receive another manual and its installation pieces and hardware. And then in that second box that you guys get, it'll have the dual blower setup, as well as you'll receive a transition piece, and that will come with some of its own hardware that we'll need to install that. But just go ahead and make sure you guys have all those things. We're gonna go ahead and take out these filters and show you how you can install your dual blower pack. So first things first, just like our other range hood, we're gonna go ahead and take our blower pack and set this inside the shell of our range hood. And the dual blower one is a little bit heavier, and I still think you'll need 2 hands to get it installed once we need to line up the screws themselves. But you guys can just come in here, plate first, and we'll just kind of set it inside the range hood. And that way we can come around the back and start to work with it a little bit more. We're gonna go ahead and get these installed, clip up all the wiring, install our transition piece on the back as well as the blower itself. So let's do that now. So we're going to continue to go around here and get all 6 screws in, 3 on the top, 3 on the bottom. Just make sure you guys aren't tightening these too much because as you'll see, the plate will kind of suction and become tighter. So don't do them too tight because we're going to still need to put our transition piece on. And inside of your guys' little bag of screws, there's going to be 6 that are the same for the blower and then 4 that come for the transition piece. So these holes that are kind of just on the outside right here, there's 4 just on each corner. We can go ahead and line up our transition piece and then we'll get this installed and it's going to be great. Now that we've got our dual blower pack installed inside of our range hood, we're going to go ahead and connect some wiring now, and this is very easy to do. As you guys can see, because we have 2 blowers, we have 2 sets of wires, and we'll just need to connect each of these to these clips right here. So if we just take one of these one at a time, it's very easy. We'll just clip that and kind of tuck it out of the way, and then you guys will have another one. You can just kind of loop it underneath, and then we'll connect it to this one right here. That way, both of our blowers can start working inside of the hood. Now that we've got our dual blower pack all the way installed, we could go ahead and start using our range hoods. So as you guys can see, we still have our push button control panel here. We can power it on and off. We can control the lighting that we talked about and the 4-speed option of the blowers inside. You'll control everything on your range hood from right here. So there you guys have it. That's our first look at our Umod and our classic insert range hoods with our brand new blower packs in our 600 CFM and our dual 1200 CFM. And giving you guys the options to install these on your own really makes your installation so much easier once you're putting these inserts inside of your home. If you guys are still shopping around for any insert models, check out our full catalog at ProlineRangeHoods.com. And if you need any help selecting the perfect range hood for your home, just contact our customer support team. We're always there to answer any of your questions.